The set seemed different when the Everybody Loves Raymond family reunited. There was a silent burden in the room that no amount of laughter could completely remove, even though the smiles and jokes were genuine. There was more to this reunion than just honoring one of the most cherished comedies on television. For Sawyer Sweeten, the youngster who grew up in front of millions of people and whose life ended way too soon, it was also a time of memory. Before he could even walk, Sawyer made television history. Sawyer Sweeten was cast as Jeffrey Baron on Everyday Loves Raymond when he was barely 1 year old. While his twin brother Sullivan Sweeten played Jeffrey's on-screen twin Michael Baron, he was just one of Ray and Deborah's boy to the audience, a supporting character who gradually became a part of American weekly family time. Sawyer, however, was more than simply a person on set. He was cherished like family, cared for and shielded. The minor moments that shaped those formative years were never captured by the camera. Sawyer and his siblings would play beside the bleachers, run through the studio hallways, or nod off in between takes on lengthy shooting days. The actors and crew frequently talked about feeling like a second set of parents. Seeing them uttering first words, lost teeth, and awkward adolescent stages play out in front of the camera, milestones that most families go through in private. Sawyer's life outside of the show became increasingly difficult as he got older. He found it difficult to make the shift from public childhood to peaceful adulthood, just like many other former child actors. Notoriety came before he could comprehend it, and when it subsided, it left behind challenging issues of purpose, identity, and direction. Sawyer was described by those who knew him well as a kind, humorous, and extremely sensitive someone who felt things deeply even though he didn't always express it. At the age of 19, Sawyer committed suicide in April 2015. Fans who remembered the happy youngster from their TV screens were horrified by the death, which also devastated his family. In the years that followed, Sullivan, his twin brother, talked of the excruciating guilt that survivors frequently bear, the never-ending what-ifs, and the silently repeated talks. His candor reflected a reality that many bereaved families are all too familiar with. Madeline Sweeten, Sawyer's sister, has also spoken mental health candidly. According to her, sadness never really goes away, but their resolve to inspire others to speak up, ask for assistance, and feel less alone does. For the Sweeten family, paying tribute to Sawyer entails transforming suffering into meaning. Sawyer's absence was noticeable at the reunion. Tears and happiness blended as his name was said. Members of the cast recalled him as kind and jovial, with laughter that continued long after he had left the room. Dramatic gestures were unnecessary. Instead, there was a mutual recognition that certain memories should be respected in silence. There's more to Sawyer Sweeten's story than just loss. It tells the tale of a young man who was incredibly loved, a youngster who brought happiness into innumerable households, and a family committed to making his life meaningful despite tragedy. His legacy serves as a reminder that there are personal challenges hidden behind well-known faces and that kindness, consideration, and dialogue can save lives.